Alright guys, so let's another video. I've got 2 marshmallows. You might hear the microwave because I'm gonna test if the marshmallow actually grows inside of a microwave. I wanted to do this. So yeah, I'll see you back in a few seconds when it's done. Okay guys, it is done. Right. Oh! Oh my god! Taking that out. As you can see, it has grown. I don't know why it has grown, but I want to test something else. What happens if we just put it back in for another 30 seconds? Okay, I'll see you guys in that. Hey guys, it worked. Oh my god. I put it in a second time, as you know. That is massive. It is freaking massive. Let's go show my brother. Oh yeah, it's a bit hot. I'm going to finish this one. Oh yes, I'm eating a lot. I wanted to eat it.
I wouldn't do that.
Oh my god. If you put it in the third time, it'll grow even more. Yeah, let's do that. Shit, I hurt. Sorry guys. Sorry again. Round 3. For longer. A minute and a half. Right. Wait, I probably should have put that in a bowl. Bigger bowl. No. Don't go. I can't touch that. Right. Okay. I'm just going to put these on so I can actually get it. Because...
Where?
Oh, I don't know where it's gone now.
There's a bit there. I didn't think there was any down there. I found a piece.
I didn't think there was any down here.
No, I didn't think there was any down there. I found
I've just done a piece of glass.
I found a little piece.
No, it's deflating.
There's another little piece there.
Get out. Okay. I'm going to move you into a bigger bowl. I'm moving it into a bigger bowl.
I don't know why that's out of the fridge. I don't remember.
It's in the microwave.
Ah. Oh yeah, I put it in there last night when I was making them cakes.
Why?
When I was making the cake. Because I melted it to put on top of the cake.
We need bigger bowl.
I've seen a piece of glass.
We need bigger bowl.
Another piece. What's that for? Oh no, you can... He's still filming.
Guys, ignore him. Did you just say he's naked?
He's still filming. Oh, Ethan.
I don't know if it'll come out. Guys, that is not coming out. Oh no. It's not coming out. Flippy dip. Flippy dip. Trying to swipe it out. Oh god. It's fumble. Alright. New up. Try it. It's a little hard. It's really hard, so I can't touch the bowl really. It's a little burnt. I can give you that inside. Yep. Oh wow, that's burnt. It's a little burnt. Why could we put it in for a second time? Can I eat that still? It's a little burnt.
Oh, probably can't melt it anymore then. Yeah, you can only do
Can
it
eat
once.
it?
You can if you want. See what it's like. You can see if animals are. I don't think there is.
Guys, I'm going to try that again. I put it in twice so it got burnt. Get off! Get off!
You might have to get another spoon.
He's stuck to the spoon! Oh god. I don't know, Mum. The marshmallow has stuck. Ow!
Careful.
Flip. Look, literally stuck. Okay, I'm gonna try and get it off, guys. With another spoon. Pardon me. I'm trying to sort it. Oh, whoops! I didn't mean to do that. Flip it.
You may need the other car, yeah.
I need to start this one. Ah, that's better. Yes. Right. Hey, we got it off. Right. The spoon will be going in here. What we're going to do about the bowl, because I can't get that marshmallow out. Mom. What's my spoon over here? Tastes like original marshmallow. Tastes like original marshmallow. Nothing different. What are we doing about the bowl?
What about it?
It's got marshmallow in it. It's burnt.
It's burnt. I've probably been.
I'm back.
Only one from work.
I don't know what to do. Okay. We have to try that again, but with the bigger bowl, because it's just...
Yeah, just melt it once. I think if you do it too much, then it doesn't really.
How long?
Probably just 10 seconds, I think.
10 seconds. I
I'll
can
put
do
it,
it.
put it in soak.
I put it in
Don't
3
worry about
times.
too much.
Right. This is the marshmallow we'll use. We're going to try this again. Right. I'm going to put it in. It's in. We'll do that once. That is not going in. I was going to put that more in the centre. There we go. Alright. I put it more in the centre, so I'll see you in a sec. I just heard the ding. It's done. Oh! Yeah! It's grown. It's grown a little better because it's in a bigger bowl. Let's save that. Right, save that. You can see. Growing a little better. It's not all sludged or anything. Oh my god!
It's hot.
Mmm.
It?
It's fluffy, I can tell you that.
Oh, piece of glass.
Alright, guys. We're going to try it. I'm just going to level my fingers. So this should come off really well. Oh my god! Mmm.
Oh, is it? It's not hot thing, is it?
Mmm.
Oh, it's just right then.
Mmm. That is really good. If you guys want to try this for yourself, get a big bowl, put the marshmallow in it. I suggest a big marshmallow. I use these. You can get these from Morrison's in the candy aisle bit on the bottom shelf. Row. So, and yeah, in your microwave. That's what I've used.
That was hot.
Alright. Bye guys, and I'm going to enjoy this off camera. Oh my god, it's stretching. Bye. I paused it instead.
Oh, you paused it.
Okay, so I didn't mean to pause it. Like and subscribe. And bye.